Greetings. This is Thakur Manjeet Singh. Today's session is about summing up the narration, summing up so far whatever we have studied. Let us begin. Before we begin, I wish you good luck in learning. Let us begin with this. First, elements of change. Remember, these elements are not the elements that you find in the periodic table, although this has been written for the sake of understanding, getting a clear idea about what is to be changed. So consider your direct speech, indirect speech, and the change in terms of a chemical reaction. We all have studied various chemical reactions. The first thing, direct speech. What is direct speech? The words spoken by a person, and they are represented by putting inverted commas at the beginning and at the end. डायरेक्ट स्पीच आपकी वह होती है जिसमें जो बात करने वाला व्यक्ति है, उसके जो शब्द हैं वो बिल्कुल उसी तरह से लिखे जाते हैं जिस तरह से वो कहता है। वो आपकी डायरेक्ट स्पीच है। डायरेक्ट स्पीच में हम दो चीजों पे ध्यान देते हैं, एक रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब होता है, एक रिपोर्टेड स्पीच होती है। ये आपके रिएक्टेंट्स होते हैं। क्यों होते हैं ये हम बात डिस्कस कर चुके हैं। In the coming examples, we will again discuss how these things are classified or what are these things. Then what change is brought? You bring a change in the tense based on the reporting verb. And the pronouns will change definitely. There will be a change of persons and other things are also considered. So this is how when you bring a change in somebody's spoken words or words quoted by someone, you change that, you change the tense, you change the pronouns, but retain the essence of the thought. जो विचार, जो भाव, जो संदेश, जो सवाल कहने वाले ने व्यक्त किया होता है, आप उसको नहीं बदलते। आप केवल और केवल काल बदलते हैं और दिशा बदलते हैं। कैसे, ये हम कॉन्सेप्ट में अच्छे तरीके से पढ़ चुके हैं, पर आज हम उसको सम अप कर रहे हैं, तो वो प्रोडक्ट आपका इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच हो जाएगा। Let us now take some examples based on today, tomorrow, tonight. Now this again is a very important rule. When you find today, tomorrow, tonight in a direct speech, how do you change it? So here are two examples for you. Let's discuss them one by one. This morning, Dominic said, I shall leave Moscow tomorrow. This is a direct speech. तो Dominic क्या कह रहे हैं? I shall leave Moscow tomorrow. See, this is summing up session, so I will not highlight things. I will simply explain them. I क्या है? सर्वनाम, pronoun, shall, modal verb है आपका, फ्यूचर टेंस में इस्तेमाल होता है, और लीव आपकी क्रिया है, मॉस्को आपकी प्लेस है, टुमारो कल का दिन, अब देखिए इसको जब हम बदलेंगे तो कैसे आएगा. This morning Dominic said that he, I आपका ही में बदला क्योंकि उसने कहा था मैं जाऊंगा. जब मैं बता रहा हूं तो वो जाएगा. Shall leave becomes would leave, and we have discussed that कि models कैसे change होते हैं. He would leave Moscow tomorrow. Now you see, we did not change the word tomorrow because it is tomorrow he's leaving. Or on that particular day when he said that he's going to leave, he was definitely talking about tomorrow. So you don't write it the next day. So this is where this thing becomes important. Moving ahead with the second example, Arnav said today, I am leaving Rajasthan tonight. So I am leaving Rajasthan tonight. If you look into the sentence, where is the reporting verb? It is said, S-A-I-D. Said today. Arnav said today, I am leaving Rajasthan tonight. So Arnav said today that inverted commas are removed, that is used. He, I will change it to he, certainly was leaving. Present continuous changes into past continuous when there is said in the reporting verb. जब reporting verb में said होगा, tense change होगा correspondingly. यानी कि perfect होगा तो past perfect में चला जाएगा. और ये continuous है, progressive है तो ये progressive चला गया किंतु भूतकाल में. Rajasthan tonight. Now you see, when he's saying that tonight, I took the tense to past. It has to be. But he was leaving Rajasthan tonight. So yes, that was his speech. You cannot bring that change. So this is how these things are done. Exceptional case. So, summing up means I will bring you all the things which are changing, and mostly the things which are too common to be present. Now let us have an understanding on the demonstratives. Demonstrative pronouns are the words used for nouns to point out objects. If you have your pen and paper, please write down. कि demonstrative pronoun जो है उसका इस्तेमाल होता है संज्ञा के लिए, किसी नाम के लिए, to point out objects, यानी कि इशारा करने. आप ऑब्जेक्ट्स की तरफ इशारा करने. ऑब्जेक्ट्स कोई भी थिंग हो सकती है. कुर्सी हो सकती है, सिरहाना हो सकता है, टाई हो सकती है, पर्दा हो सकता है, खिड़की हो सकती है, बैग हो सकता है, बेल्ट हो सकती है, एनीथिंग. सो इसके लिए आपके पास 4 डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउंस हैं, जिसमें है this, that, these, those. Remember, this and that, they are singular. These, those, they are plural. Okay. Romanov said, I owned this car. The reported speech, it is in the simple past. And said, what is said? Past. So reporting verb is past. Therefore, reported speech will be changed. But this time it is in simple past, so it will move into the past perfect. So Romanov said that she had, now owned will become had owned. I will become she because she is a she. She's a woman. She had owned that car. Now this changed into that car. Why? बिकॉज जब रोमनव ने ये कहा कि आई ओन दिस कार, उनके सामने वो कार थी, उन्होंने उसकी तरफ इशारा किया और वो उनके सामने थी. मैं जब आपको ये इनडायरेक्टली बता रहा हूं, शी हैड ओन्ड दैट कार, दैट मतलब वो कार जो उस वक्त उसके सामने. सो लाइक दिस यू विल चेंज इट. मेलिसा said to Joey, I want these flowers. So Melissa and Joy, they were walking down the market. Melissa saw some beautiful flowers and she said, I want these flowers. These means a bunch of flowers, more than one. So Melissa told Joy that she, again, want is simple past. Or is it? No, it is present. Want. It's not wanted. So you have to be very careful about these things. Whenever you are looking into it, reading a sentence, please notice the tense of it. Uska kaal samajhiye. I want will become she wanted those flowers. Okay, so we are getting an idea how things are changed. Now, examples on adverbial of place. Why these examples are being discussed during summing up session? Because हम सब जानते हैं कि टेंस बदलेगा, प्रोनाउन बदलेगा, पर ये भी कुछ चीजें हैं, here, there, today, tomorrow, tonight. इन शब्दों का जब इस्तेमाल होगा, इनको कैसे बदलो? और अगर इनको आपने ओवरलुक किया, if you overlook them, the examiner or the one or the computer machine which is going to evaluate your answers, they will overlook your answer. So that is why. Now the boys said, we shall meet here again. The boys said. Said means past. That's a reporting verb. That inverted commas are removed. That is used. They, because they are plural. We will change into they. Now you see, summing up कैसे हुआ? आपने देखा I बदला he में, I बदला she में, we बदला they में. So there is this change. You have to keep that in mind. Shall meet here again. Shall will change into should. For this you have to understand how models are changed. But yes, shall will change into should, also would. Meet there again. You see, here will change into there. Here means जब वो वहां खड़े थे. So there means again. It is a difference. Difference कहाँ पे है? Boys, when they were standing there, they were talking among themselves. But now this is being reported. So we have to refer to that place accurately. The teacher said, come here, boys. Now teacher said, come here, boys. Come here, boys. You see, this is an imperative sentence. Teacher commanded the boys to, remember the point? अगर imperative होगा, inverted commas को हटा के, you will use to. To is a preposition which is used to give directions and orders as well. So the teacher commanded the boys to come to him. यानी कि to come to him. There is no change in the tense. Why? Because to will always be taking first form of the verb. To के साथ हमेशा infinitive form, basic form of verb use होती है. आपको ये नियम भी याद रखना है. Okay, this has been discussed. Now here changes into there only when there is a reference to a place. Here there में तभी बदलेगा जब place को reference दी गई होगी. Here again, meet here. You see? Here, meet here. वो जगह को reference दिया है. अगर वो reference नहीं पाया जाता, you don't have to change it. Next is your examples on interrogatives. So I have given you the keywords. Look at these keywords. Is, am, are, was, were, to, did, done, had, has, have, will, shall, can, etc. All these questions can be, all these words can be used to make questions. What, why, when, who, where, which, whom. Now you see, A part is or falls into category of those questions. So I'm giving you time so that you can think. is, am, are, was, were, do, did, done, had, has, have, will, shall, can. इन सवालों की, इन शब्दों से जो सवाल बनेंगे उनका जवाब आएगा हाँ या ना में। तो दो किस्म के सवाल हैं इंटेरोगेटिव्स में, एक वो जिसमें हाँ या ना में जवाब दिया जाता है, जिसमें हम इफ और वेदर यूज करते हैं, और दूसरा व्हाट, व्हाई, व्हेन, हु, वर, व्हिच, हूम, इनमें हम यूज करते हैं अलग फॉर्म में। जैसे Ananya said to her friends, why not stay overnight here? You see, it happens with friends. So Ananya suggested to her friends, said is past, so why not stay overnight here? Let's change it. Suggested to her friends that they should stay overnight there. Again, here ka there bana. That was a suggestion, so it comes should stay overnight. Now you see, why not stay? Question में negative है, पर हमने उसको they should stay overnight there उसको एक स्टेटमेंट में बदल दिया। यही आपको बात समझनी, क्योंकि जब आप इंटेरोगेटिव्स को बदलेंगे आप सवाल नहीं पूछ सकते। मान लीजिए अनन्या ने अपने दोस्तों से कहा, तो उसने उनसे सवाल पूछा था, हमसे नहीं। और हम जब आगे किसी को बताएंगे तो हम वो सवाल नहीं पूछेंगे, हम ये बताएंगे कि सवाल क्या था। Sometimes the sense has to be changed. This is how you are going to do it. Raghav said to Rajesh. Raghav said to Rajesh, do you know Sahil? राघव ने राजेश से पूछा, क्या तुम साहिल को जानते हो? Do again. इसका आंसर होगा yes or no में। तो आंसर में आप यूज करेंगे if और whether. So Raghav asked Rajesh if, do you know? Know क्या है? Simple present. Do क्या है? Present. Said क्या है? Past. तो ये जाएगा simple past. Raghav asked Rajesh if he knew Sahil. कि क्या वो साहिल को जानता है? So this is how you're going to work on interrogatives, and all these things are changing. Now, we have discussed many things about it. Let us summarize what we have learned. So here is it. Direct speech. It will have two components you have to look into. Reporting verb, reported speech. I repeat. Direct speech में आपको देखना है reporting verb क्या है. Say है, says to है, said है, said to है. और रिपोर्टेड स्पीच कौन से टेंस में है, क्या प्रोनाउंस यूज हुए हैं, क्या मॉडल्स यूज हुए हैं, कौन से डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउन यूज हुए हैं, कौन सा एडवर्बल या ऑफ प्लेस यूज हुआ है, और क्या टाइप का सेंटेंस है, क्या वो एसर्टिव है, क्या वो ऑप्टेटिव है, क्या वो इंटेरोगेटिव है, क्या वो एक्सक्लेमेटरी है, क्या वो नेगेटिव है। ये सब बातें जान लेने के बाद आप एनालाइज करेंगे। एनालिसिस में मैंने आपको ये सारे पॉइंट्स बता दें। टेंस देखेंगे, प्रोनाउंस देखेंगे, मॉडल्स देखेंगे और सेंटेंस का टाइप देखेंगे। उसके बेसिस पे आप फिर क्या करेंगे, कुछ वर्ड्स को ऑल्टर करेंगे, यानी कि कुछ वर्ड बदलेंगे। जैसे आई ही में बदला, हियर देयर में बदला, दिस दैट में बदला, दीज दोज में बदला, ऑल्टर वर्ड निकालेंगे, आइडिया इंटैक्ट रखेंगे। वी शुड मीट हियर, दैट दे शुड मीट देयर, बात नहीं बदली। हेयर का देर हुआ, पर क्यों हुआ? बिकॉज दिस इज एन इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच। दिस इज द होल पॉइंट अबाउट इट। सो दिस इज हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू चेंज नरेशन. So I hope in this particular video you get to learn about what are the things that change in narration, what is the basic concept of narration, and what are the different things, parameters which are to be considered for the sake of making correct indirect speech. So I wish you good luck. And remember one thing, if we persist, success shall bow. Remember, persistence is the key. There is no such thing as failure. It is just one step ahead. When you move ahead, जब आप जीवन में आगे बढ़ते हैं, आपकी मंजिल 10 किलोमीटर दूर है, 100 किलोमीटर दूर है, 1000 किलोमीटर दूर है। आप 1 किलोमीटर 10 किलोमीटर तय करने के बाद थक जाते हैं, उस थकने को हार नहीं कहते। हार वो होती है जब आप छोड़ ही दे कि मैंने जाना ही नहीं उस तरफ. So keep moving towards your goal, and one day you will be a fine speaker. Know these rules, understand them, apply them. That is it. Happy learning from my side. This is Thakur Manjeet Singh signing off. Best wishes to all of you.